I'm Abraham with Crownstone Equipment, here to show you our Bobcat ZT7000 zero-turn mower. This is the biggest and baddest mower Bobcat makes, featuring a 72-inch AirFX deck with an adjustable front lip. The one we have here today is powered by a 37 horsepower Vanguard motor, also available with a 38.5 horsepower Kawasaki. In addition to leading in class horsepower, the Bobcat ZT7000s feature Hydra Gear 5400 hydrostatic transaxles, capable of propelling this beast to 19 miles an hour travel speed and 13 miles an hour cutting speed. Bigger is not always slower. You've heard a lot about all the great features Bobcat's packed into this ZT7000, but what does 19 miles an hour on a zero-turn really look like? Let's find out. Now you've seen the power and you've seen the speed, and there's no doubt that the Bobcat ZT7000 is an incredible mowing machine. To check out this model, or any other model in our full lineup of Bobcat zero-turn mowers, please stop in and visit us at one of our 5 convenient Crownstone Equipment locations. My name's Abraham, thanks for watching.